what y'all talk over there?
Do you want to hear a performance? Bumbleclot!
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
Bumbleclot! Do you want to hear Bumbleclot performance?
The fuck is you looking at?
We're gonna give it to you anyway. I'm Zesty number 1, and I'm Zesty number 2. And together, we're the Zesty twins. We're Zesty. We're Zesty.
Yeah, Russia.
Yo, go on.
Okay.
I say active. You don't know what I'm saying, dude.
I don't.
You don't understand Jamaican?
I just understood that.
That's how you understand.
I understand you.
So what me just say?
You said you can't understand Jamaican. That's what you said.
I was like, you know, you're not that bad. You're not that bad. You're not that bad.
I know.
Like you know Jamaican people.
I do.
You know Caribbean people.
I do.
You lying.
I'm not lying.
She like you know some like Trini people, but like you just say you know Jamaican people because like it's cool knowing Jamaican people.
You think so?
Yeah, I think that. I ain't gonna cap. I think that.
You think so?
100%. 100%. 100%. 100%.
Mm-hmm.
You been in the grill?
Mm-hmm. Say it again.
In the grill.
What is that?
You don't know the grill?
What is that?
Jamaica. It's a place in Jamaica. It has the best beaches.
Obviously, I don't know that.
Yeah,
No,
you know your song is like, let me take it to the islands, baby.
No.
You uncultured, man. You uncultured. You need to go to Jamaica.
I am very, very. I do. I do.
You in Jamaica?
No, I'm not. I said I do need to come there. That's what I said.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how your Caribbean friends ain't bring you? Like, I don't. L Caribbean friends, to be honest.
Because I know some, I just don't like, associate with them. You know?
You don't associate you trying to stay away from
Yeah.
us?
So they're not my friends. They're my associates.
So you're saying you don't mess with us.
That's not what I said, though.
You say you don't associate. You say, oh, I rate them. I rate them. I rate them. Like,
With them.
basically, I say I rate them. Associate with them. To be honest, them can go suck them mother. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yo, why you you just agree? You basically say, yeah, diss them. All kind of crazy shit, and you just agreed.
I did?
You said yes. What you mean? I did. You said yes.
No.
You just said yes. So why you agree? Yes,
No, I didn't mean to.
you said
I
yes.
meant
You
to say
agreed.
no. I meant to say no.
Yeah, like you just meant to
I
say
meant to say
no.
no.
Like yeah, like the yes
No.
just slipped out. Like you know what I'm saying? Like you was
Yeah,
really
it was an
thinking
accident.
of saying no, but the yes just slipped out.
But it was an accident, though. So,
You accidentally said yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's how that works.
Yep.
Right. Right. Oh,
time is it over there?
Depending where you live, to be honest. Like you,
So
y'all
what time
talk
is it
like
where
the
you at?
time different. Like it's really the same time. Like unless you on like unless you're up on like East Coast or something, like
Mm-hmm.
it's same time. Like that
So what time is it where you're at?
like 10.
Oh, okay.
It's the
Okay.
same time. Like it's not even that different. Like that's like just like
Yeah.
5 hours ahead. It's not 5 hours. At best it's like a 1 hour difference, depending on where you
Yeah,
at.
it is. Mm-hmm.
So it's like 11 for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, so you on the get up on the course or tour
Mm.
or two.
Mm.
Now you seem hella intrigued about this. I can't even lie to you.
What do you mean?
Now you say you hella intrigued, like you hella intrigued with Jamaica and shit, but like
Right.
you disassociate, yeah, disassociate with the Caribbean
Stop.
people.
That's not what I said.
What you said, that's like what you said.
That's not what I said.
That's what you said. I'm
I
literally
basically said I don't
repeating
have
what you
any
said.
Jamaican friends. That's what I said.
And I had previously asked you if you had Jamaican friends, and you was like, yo. You was like, yo.
I
I was
said
just like,
associates. Associates. That's two different things.
so why did you lie? Why you tell a lie the
I
first time?
didn't lie.
You tell a lie the
That's not
first
lying.
time when
That's
I
not
asked if you
lying.
had friends, and you was like, oh yeah, 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 yeah. All the time, you never had no friends.
That wasn't. I said associate.
That's not what you said, ma'am. That's not. That's not, ma'am. Whole time, I thought you were Bill Gates when you were not even Bill Fence. You just be lying. God damn.
I didn't lie. How
I
was
don't
I
even know
lying?
what else you be lying about now. Like you could be lying about anything. Like,
What
are
am I
you
lying
even
about?
real? Are you AI? Like, you're probably AI.
I am. I am.
Yeah, you AI. And you
Mm-hmm.
lying. You lying again. Like, you just love lying. Like,
Oh, you're funny.
type shit.
Oh, you know what that is?
No, what is?
Type shit.
Yeah, act like type shit is some kind of mythical word. Like, what do you mean? I know what type shit is. Like, it's a
But I
word.
didn't think people people all around the world use the same terms. You know?
Certain terms are very
Yeah.
universal. And like, listen, I go put you onto the lore. Type shit really came from Florida, and there are mad Jamaicans
Mm-hmm.
in Florida. So like, we really got it first, if you really think about it.
Okay, and then everybody else started using it.
Exactly. Like we really,
Okay.
we was really early to it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Okay. No, so we was late to it. Wasn't early.
Exactly. It only really got
Okay.
popular when niggas on TikTok started using it, but we been had that. You know
Okay.
what I'm saying?
Okay. Okay. So it wasn't nothing new to y'all.
We been had that. Like y'all was like 2, 3 years late. We been on that type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like
Right.
type shit.
Is it like hot, like scorching hot outside
Where do you live? I'm down. Where do you live?
in North Carolina?
Oh, you from North Carolina? Alright.
Mm.
Y'all got like y'all got heat waves in North Carolina.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want you to think about it. Just like summertime, it's a heat wave, basically. But like on like everywhere else is like it's cool.
Right. But it's
Well,
hot over there.
nah, I'm really talking about time, like summertime. Like if it's summer, it's cool.
Mhm.
If it's summer, it's hot, like basically a heat wave. Like
Right.
that shit, like you
But
know,
is
you
it
don't you
hot?
don't know
But is it hot
Celsius, do
every day?
you? You know Fahrenheit. You know Celsius?
You said what?
Celsius.
Yeah.
It's like 30.
Oh no, that's too hot for me. No, thank you.
And then like every other time it's like 19.
So it's hot every day.
I mean, it's summer, yes.
But please, because it don't be hot every day over here sometimes. It be like cool, and then it get hot.
See, cause y'all was about polar and shit, like
Yeah, real bad.
y'all should be all over the place, like you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's real bad.
Our shit a little bit more consistent, and as
Right.
inconsistent, I mean always sun
Right.
and things of that nature.
Right.
Well, you a green light, you know, you never been here.
I know. I'm just saying.
You never been here. You a green light.
So I'm supposed to say no. That's what you want me to say?
I mean, I would have respected it more. At least you would be like, nah. But like, I would have just been like, how you know? You never been here. How you say no? How you gonna say no?
Exactly. So either way, you would have said I haven't been there.
Exactly, because you've
Exactly.
never been there. Like, how have you never been to Jamaica? You know what I'm saying? How have you never been to Jamaica? It's Jamaica.
You gonna buy my plane ticket?
You in North Carolina? Like, that's like
Okay then.
Yo,
mean, play that shit. God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know when my time gonna come.